So we are so proud of the Texas Tech University Honors College because we really believe it's the best of all possible worlds. You get to be on a Research One campus where we have nearly 40,000 students and 1,500 of the best faculty in the world. These are the faculty who have won Department of Defense grants, National Science Foundation grants, National Endowment for the Humanities grants, National Endowment for the Arts grants. They are Fulbright scholars, they are Rhodes scholars, they are National Academy members. And at the same time that you have that caliber of scholar and researcher on campus, you have a honors college that is 1,600 strong, that has some of the best teachers, because from that 1,500 high caliber faculty, we choose 100 faculty to teach for us. These are not only your smartest professors, these are not only the ones who are doing the most innovative research, they're also some of your most caring, most nurturing, most supportive educators that will inspire your undergraduate student to reach for the stars and to really understand where their path leads them. So on this campus, our 1,600 students major in anything they want. We have amazing relationships with every single other college on this campus. So just like the College of Engineering, just like the Rawls College of Business, just like the College of Arts and Sciences and the College of Performing Arts, the Honors College is its own freestanding college. And so we build relationships so that we have courses in every single college. We have everything from architecture to chemistry to biology to dance to theater to history to English to philosophy. Whatever it is you want to major in, we have those classes in the Honors College. The difference? Our classes only have 16 to 25 people in them, which means that although we follow the exact same curriculum, we can be differently rigorous. Because when you're in a classroom with only 16 people, you can ask questions, you can engage, you can actually be the one to drive your education and be accountable to yourself for where that education leads you. So we are incredibly proud of our students. Our biggest, our most precious asset in the Honors College are our students. They are the ones who dream big. They are the ones who do undergraduate research. They are the ones who, because we have a special relationship with the medical school and with the School of Law, both graduate schools where normally you do not have access to the professors until you are actually a medical school student or a law school student. Our students, as undergraduate students, already in their first and second year, are taking classes at the Health Sciences Center. They are taking classes in the School of Law. They are doing research. In fact, we just had a student who did undergraduate research with a law school professor, and in her honors college thesis wrote something for the Law Review that is being published as a 21-year-old honors college undergraduate student. It's phenomenal. And we're so proud of our students because they dream even bigger than that. We have a student who went to Lebanon to work for a worldwide organization in order to teach storytelling to refugee children, because he believes firmly that the situation, the humanitarian crisis that is the refugee crisis from Syria in Lebanon, is not only a crisis of humanitarian proportions, it's a public health crisis. So as a pre-med student, he is checking in on the emotional well-being and the emotional health of these students who will begin traveling the world and who will begin becoming part of our ecosystem and part of our universe. We have students who are dancing, who are traveling, who are singing on the stages of the Metropolitan Opera. And we are so proud of all of them because all of them bring different talents, all of them bring different passions, and all of them bring different eyes and perspectives on the ways in which we can better the human condition. To be a part of the Honors College at Texas Tech University, it's quite a simple process. First, you have to apply to Texas Tech University, which you apply through applytexas.org. At the same time, you can actually open up your Honors College application at honors.ttu.edu. There, depending on whether you are a first-year, first-time student, or whether you are a transfer or a current student at Texas Tech, you will click on either button in order to access that application. The application for the Honors College does require essays. Why? Because while we are a high-achieving, academically ambitious college, and we recognize that test scores and grades are fabulous indicators as to the intellectual potential of a student, we also recognize that beyond that is the character, is the personality, is the will of the student. And that we can only understand through your words, through your vulnerabilities, through your willingness to let us in through the writing of an essay. So when you're looking at those essays, and they're short answer essays, don't just think about what you think the Honors College wants to read. It's not just about you being a good fit for us, it's about us being a good fit for you. We are partners in this educational experience. So, as you're looking at these essays, as you're looking at writing these essays, proofread carefully. Think thoughtfully about who you are and what you want to project as to who you think you will become. But don't be afraid to also show us your weaknesses. Don't be afraid to show us where you want to grow. Don't be afraid to show us what you are imminently, immensely passionate about. Show us who you are so that we can better understand how to walk down this path with you. We require 2 letters of recommendation, and what we will do is we will ask you for the emails of 2 different recommenders. We highly recommend that those recommenders be academic, teachers or counselors. The reason why is because we don't ask for your teachers to upload a letter. Instead, what we do is we ask very specific, very focused types of questions on intellectual potential, on your academic ability, and on what you have already done in high school. Those questions will speak to your writing skills, your critical analytical skills, your dedication and your discipline in study, but also in the stories that may not come through in just scores and grades. Who you are, how hard you've worked, what it means to be you, and what it means to teach you. Our applications are read by faculty at the Honors College. Why? Because we're the ones who teach you. We know who we want sitting in front of us in the classroom. You will submit your essays, you will submit those email addresses, and you will receive emails from the Honors College at Texas Tech University as you progress and complete your application. Once you have completed your Texas Tech application through applytexas.org, once you have completed your honors application at honors.ttu.edu, we work in tandem with undergraduate admissions to assure that you receive a swift and efficient and thoughtful reply and consideration of your materials. Once Texas Tech University has accepted you, a green light comes on in the Honors College and we can read your application. In general, we will have a response to you within 2 weeks because we want to be thoughtful, we want to be considered, and we want to consider the whole person. It is such a wonderful privilege to be a part of your children's lives, to be a part of you students' lives, and to really be able to watch, witness, help you, mentor you as you grow into your adulthood. But we also hope that we inspire you to not only become an adult, to not only become, to find your career, to not only become a part of this amazing university. We hope that you retain your creativity. We hope that you maintain your hopes and your dreams. And we hope that you maintain that kind of childhood curiosity that will drive you for the rest of your lives. Welcome to the Texas Tech University Honors College.